If I gave you $1 today, or $1 million split over 30 days, but it starts at just 1 penny and doubles every day, which would you pick? Most people pick the million. Wrong answer. And I'm going to prove it to you in the next 60 seconds. This is the secret that turns broke teenagers into rich adults. It's not about how much money you make. It's about one dumb, simple trick banks have used for hundreds of years. Stick around. Here's the problem. Most of us think being rich means having a big salary. So we chase a good job and think that's the finish line. But here's the crazy part. You can meet people with huge salaries who are broke every month, and people with small jobs who quietly become millionaires. The salary was never the real trick. Okay, wait, quick pizza break. Imagine I give you one pizza slice today. Tomorrow, it becomes 2 slices. Next day, 4, then 8, then 16. By day 10, how many slices do you think you'd have? Over 500 slices. That's compound interest. Your money doesn't just add up, it multiplies on itself, over and over, automatically. Step 1. Understand this. Money makes money. When you save $1 and it earns interest, that interest also earns interest next time. It snowballs. Step 2. Time is the real superpower here, not the amount. $1 saved at 13 grows way more than $100 saved at 25 because it has more years to snowball. Starting early beats starting big. Okay, but here's where people mess it up. They wait. They say, I'll start when I have more money. But waiting even 5 years can cost you thousands later. The snowball needs time more than it needs size. Step 3. You don't need a job to start. You need a container, a savings account, or a jar. Anything that holds your money and lets it grow. Even $1 counts. Step 4. Automate it. Every time you get money, allowance, birthday cash, first paycheck, put a tiny piece straight into that container before you spend anything. Pay yourself first. One more thing before you go. Step 5. Don't touch it. The whole trick only works if you let the snowball roll. Every time you take money out, it resets to 0 and starts over. So to recap, money makes money, time beats amount, get a container, automate it, and leave it alone. That's it. That's the whole secret rich people don't really talk about. Your challenge: put $1 away today. Just one. Comment started below when you do it. I want to see it. Subscribe to Sprout Money. I break down money stuff like this. No boring lectures. Promise.